To install the Anaconda distribution for machine learning in Python, we have to visit their website and download the Python 3.7 installer for Linux. After the download completes, we have a shell script that can be executed with a simple bash command in the terminal. Press enter to continue with the installation. Scroll down the license agreement using spacebar and type in yes to agree. The console will then ask for the installation location. It can be left unchanged. Finally, the system asks if it should alter the bash RC to initialize Anaconda and add it to the path. You can type yes and proceed. After that, Anaconda can be initialized by either sourcing the bash RC file itself or restarting the terminal. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any queries, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to about more stuff like this in the future. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.